A statistics professor plans classes so carefully that the lengths of her classes are uniformly distributed between 45 and 55 minutes. Find the probability that a given class period runs less than 51.75 minutes. So we're told then that there is a uniform distribution, and then that range of values is 45 to 55. Now, if it's a uniform distribution, then we would have the same height, or the same probability, or the same number of times that classes would achieve certain minute values all the way from the range to 45 to 55. This distance here is 10, which makes this height 1/10, because what we need is for the area of this rectangle to be 1. In other words, all probability, if we sum all possible outcomes for any sample space, that total probability should be 1. This area represents all of those probabilities inside that sample space associated with the possible values that the random variable can acquire. So this area then is 1, and we're then going to get this height right here by saying, well, if the area is 1 and area is length times width, then the length is 10, and then solve for the width. So W is 1/10. But the question is, find the probability that we would select a class that runs less than 51.75 minutes. So we would locate 51.75 on here somewhere. Less than that would be to the left, and the probability then would correspond to this chunk of that area. So we would do length times width again. So the probability then that x is less than 51.75 is going to equal 51.75 minus 45, so that's the length, times the width, 1/10. Which is going to give us 6.75 times 1/10, or 0.675.